You're gonna fall off. You're gonna stop my adventure? I don't think so. Oh, look at the dam over there.
Alright, where's this cave? Let's get to the cave now.
Got the handy dandy flashlight out. You see a demon, you let me know. Now, if this were in America and I was Jazz, I'd probably find a box up there.
Huh?
So if I was playing Renanautica and I was Jazz, I'd probably find a box up there. Hi. I think it said Chris.
Say my name again. Turn it off.
What is up, fam? Thank you for joining Toxified. I just wanted to inform you that this episode will be mostly nature, which is kind of boring, I know, but some people like nature. It's one of my favorite spots to visit, which is Nesting Ledges in Ohio. It's very beautiful. There's rocks, covered in moss, there's water. And I also made an aquaponic session near the end of the video, so stay tuned for that if you didn't watch the preview. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share wherever you can, and comment below what you think I should do next. Alright, so, come on.
No.
Alright, camera shy.
Yep, goddamn right.
Oh my goodness. It's been so long since I've been up here. Wow, look at those roots just going down there like that. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
All the moss. Just gotta know where you're going. Or at least follow the dots on the trees. I love nature. That poor tree. That poor tree. Like, don't go down here. Wow, look at all that.
Here we go.
Who are you?
Here we go.
Oh!
Really?
Yes.
You had to do that?
Yes. Oh, wow.
Oh, I hate it.
Oh, the roots coming down the rocks. That's just like so cool. I was gonna say, you don't need your sunglasses. I think the kids were playing with chalk or something.
Watch that.
Yeah, there are roots everywhere. Oh, trees. Good sweet. Yeah, look at that. Looks like steps you can climb. I'm not wondering. If you heard any of that, that's other people and they're in the parking lot. I think, yeah, they're still in the parking lot. Oh, okay.
No.
Oh no, we're going all the way over there.
Okay.
See a blue?
Watch your step.
I know. Damn tree roots. Oh, that poor tree.
Poor tree looks like never mind.
Oh wow. I'm gonna go look at that. Now I'm going slightly off trail. See the like the yellowish orange color to it. It's a dead end, but still cool.
Yeah.
Someone left a mark on that rock.
Yeah.
What?
Did you just make fun of the bottle opening?
Yes.
Oh my word.
This is gonna be a fun adventure.
No,
What?
it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
This is when we get to where the waterfall should be, but this time of year it might not be there yet. So, but again,
I won't be able to hear it.
still beautiful, gorgeous nature.
It's fucking cold day.
It's just that cold.
Get back in the damn fucking cave, it will. Fuck, my balls.
So we're gonna just remember, we're gonna watch your step around here, people.
What's that take?
Blue.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep, up the rocks.
I hate rocks. I really hate rocks.
Consider them steps made of stone. Oh God, excuse me. Oh yeah, so you can walk on this huge rock and sit up there. Yeah, I'm going over here. Yeah, I'd go this way.
Probably just go down it.
Yeah, if you want to jump.
You're still jumping in anyway.
Looks like a cave-ish place over there too.
What?
And over there. They look dangerous. But the blue marker's over there, so.
What?
But the blue marker's that way. You can see it on the tree over there, and that one down there. Over there, yeah. Trying to get it on camera.
Ooh.
Steep.
Yeah. What I hate about this. Let's get on one of those.
Right? We're glad it's not, like, slippery rock, right?
Huh?
I said we're glad it's not slippery.
Yeah.
Because these rocks are covered in moss, babe.
What?
Because these rocks are covered in moss. I wonder what those holes are for. There's a hole in that one.
Probably for critters to go in and out of.
Like snakes. Like
Yeah?
snakes.
Snakes?
Oh, can you hear it? Dripping water.
Probably because it was raining.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Get this done.
Ooh, yeah, look at that one over there. Ooh. I can feel the cold in the air.
Oh, there's a good spot right there. But that's too fucking narrow.
Yeah, it is. My skinny ass boss couldn't make it through there.
My ass couldn't fit through there.
I'd be like, Corey, can you fit through that? They're like, fuck no.
Hell no.
Shit, Justin couldn't fit through that. Kate Moss couldn't fit in there. You do know who Kate Moss is, though, right? Let's go back and check out the quarry. So we're going that way anyway. It's like half a mile up that way.
Huh?
It's like half a mile that way. So I'm going to leave these beautiful, woodsy, rocky adventure. We'll go over there for a bit. Oh yeah, look at that. So gorgeous. Keep advertising on the radio that kids should go play in the forest with their parents, you know. It's like, yeah, okay. I gotta come to a place like this, you know. It's nice and naturey. You have an adventure, you just gotta be careful a lot. Wow. Like I said, I haven't been here in like 10 years any longer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. There we go down there.
What?
Down there.
That's the quarry.
Yeah. Small part of it, the beachy part of it's like that way. Oh yeah.
Got a phone call.
Okay. Wow, look at the stream still flowing down here. Oh, the red trail's that way too. Okay.
Mom, she is. Just relax. No, she was supposed to, yeah, she was doing it yesterday, but I haven't talked to her since earlier today, and she was at work. She'll get it done. Just be patient.
Yeah.
I know he's always impatient. I will message Julie and find out.
There's red markers over there. I guess it goes up there.
Damn. I ain't going down that way.
Down that way.
I'm going this way. You're going to end up falling down that way.
Yeah, you can fall over there too. Looks like a deep hole.
If I fall, I'm suing.
Suing who?
I don't know. Whoever needs to hear it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Yeah, see, you would have jumped into that.
That would have been better. It's a bridge.
Yeah, isn't it cute?
No.
Why not?
What? What was that?
I said you don't think anything's cute.
Me.
No.
Why?
Cause. Think you're gonna fall off? Think you're gonna stop my adventure? I don't think so. Oh, look at the dam over there.
Alright, where's this cave? Let's get to the cave now.
Let's go back there.
In the water. Wait a minute. Oh no.
I will need rubber boots.
You wouldn't be able to go that way anyway.
Know how high the water is.
That water's not that high.
to these shoes there.
That's true. You don't need your feet smelling, especially when they get wet.
Oh yeah, look, close up view of the wreck.
Whoa.
Oh, we do not have a full moon. Yeah, I never had a water jar.
What?
I need a mason jar.
Why?
There's a full moon out. I can make moon water.
Who are you?
Toxic Thorn! I created that when I was 11, okay? Which, if you don't remember, I'm a witch. Go ahead.
If you're a witch, then why ain't you hex on them nuts?
Oh, and how old are you?
36.
That means he's 63. He's on 23 again. Woo! But hey, just remember when you're 63, you'll be 36 again.
My knees.
Angry? Want to sit?
What?
Want to sit?
No.
Oh god. Probably get the full moon either tonight or tomorrow.
What?
I don't think it's all the way full just yet.
No, not yet.
Well, it's like the night before, you know. So the full one will come in like tonight or tomorrow. Put out a glass of water. Or a jar, rather. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, and it makes you like feel it coming out of there.
Can't fit there through there either. Jeez. Too narrow.
Rocks are so weird.
And that one you can sit through. I mean, maybe.
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 Maybe. Maybe, baby.
Too much wood in there.
Oh, nice path over there. And now over here. Come back there, take some stills on that. See, if you didn't know your way around here, this reminds me of a video game. If you didn't know your way around here, you would get lost. If the trees weren't marked, you get lost. At night, anyway.
Swamp.
Mud. Oh, yeah. Walk over there. Wow, can you hear them over there? They're going wild. Okay. People with their marking of the trees. Hey, look, check it out, check it out.
Ooh.
Whoa, oh, yeah.
What?
Why is it like kind of like reddish orange?
It's clay.
Yeah.
Rain, rock, clay.
Woo.
How far is this thing deep? Lord. How far is it?
Oh god, I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been in here. Got the handy dandy flashlight out. You see a demon, you let me know.
The only demon you're gonna see is inside me.
What?
That's how I'm getting an eerie feeling. I don't like it.
An eerie feeling. On your vibe thingy meter must be on a higher up than mine. I hear weird noises, but that could be an airplane. Yeah, airplane. What? Maybe we're getting a vibe from the house. Could be getting a vibe from that house over there. There's a faded blue one.
Huh?
So here's a faded blue one.
We gotta watch out for that one.
Why?
It's faded.
Oh, there's a new one up there. Or new word, whatever. I think it's on the white trail where you go above the rocks. Like all those big ones up there are probably on the white trail. These rocks are right at the bottom. Oh my.
Whew. Almost slipped.
Okay. I think the rest of the trail goes up there.
What?
I think that goes up there. There used to be a welcoming thing at the gate, but apparently I don't have it anymore.
I hate this hill.
Whew.
Yeah, I hate this.
Whew.
This is good. Stay right here. It's naughty.
Now, if this were an Aeronautica and I was Jazz, I'd probably find a box up there.
Huh?
So if I was playing Aeronautica and I was Jazz, I'd probably find a box up there.
Jeez.
Whoa. You're gonna fall.
Okay, I'm sitting right here. Fuck this. Okay, save on the camera for a minute.
He says you can behave now. Do we believe that? I don't think so. What? Okay, how do I turn this around?
What?
What?
Camera back out.
I took the camera out of my phone. Only because it has better light. You can pick up more light for some reason.
Okay.
Yes, I am creeping it real.
Creeping it real?
That's what my hat says.
Oh my lord.
Don't you know by now Halloween's my favorite holiday?
Yeah, I know.
This lipstick's supposed to be gray, but it looks kind of purplish. Yeah. It works though. Oh, my camera just turned itself off.
Yep, let's go.
It's not raining that bad, you coward.
It's going to rain, and we have to go all the way downhill. Come on.
Ah, man. Alright, Blue Chair, we'll come back.
We'll come back next. It doesn't look like anybody has anyone living there. What do you think?
Yeah, it kind of looks empty right now, but maybe they're just like not home. I don't know.
You think?
Yeah, see, I get better light with my phone than I do with camera. I don't know. I'm gonna get a night vision camera or something. I want that has both.
Remember when? Yeah, somebody there because they just turned on the light. They didn't turn it back off. Probably because I shined a flashlight.
Probably.
All right. Well, we'll get it once we get everything up and running.
Right.
This is all mixed country.
Well, yeah, henceforth the sign for the, you know, horse and carriage warning sign.
Yeah, because the...
Yeah, see, that's why I walked on this log.
Huh? What?
That's why I walked on that log back there.
I got boots on. You got shoes.
Good. I'm good.
I wonder if those other two cars are still in the parking lot.
If they are, they're probably fucking. What? Come on, you know it. Come on.
Wish I could. I didn't want to see it.
Hey, wait, flash that back up there. Give me that.
I got it.
Give me that. I'm gonna aim at myself. Do you think there are any ghosts here?
I don't know. We got to check the history background of this and see.
Yeah, they're like the big quarry, like back there, comes to the beach and everything. Yeah. Get a quick look at it on the way back.
So here's what we're gonna do next Thursday.
Or my next off day, whenever.
Or your next off day. We'll come here early. Look for that.
Quarry.
The quarry and the
History.
history in the cave.
Oh yeah.
If I had a computer, I would look it up tonight. But I ain't got no money.
That's what libraries are for.
I don't have a library card.
Why?
I just never went to the library because I always get a computer for home. You know what else we need to go check out?
What?
The Zombieland.
Zombieland.
Yes.
Where is that?
PA. I'll take you to it. And here's the history for Zombieland. Okay? A little girl was murdered up there.
Turn around, show the camera.
In Zombieland, there was a little girl named Shannon Cause that was murdered up in Zombieland. Well, somewhere in that vicinity, I don't know what it is. And I know the people who did it. And two of them are dead and one of them still alive, spending a lifetime in prison. So, her name is Shannon Cause, so look that up at Zombieland. And, yeah.
I can just hear them frogs. What? All I can really hear is like the water coming down from the
I feel like
rocks.
something's following me beside you.
Hold on.
Nice little cubby hole to do some naughty. What do you think? Go ahead.
Oh wow.
Be careful.
Oh yeah.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can't really fit through there.
Exactly.
Unless you're a kid.
I mean, you probably can. Just you're gonna be hurting.
Right?
But yeah. No, hey.
What?
Good place to do whatever. What do you think? No, seriously. Come here.
Can't see it. Shit. There's another pair behind us. Plus I can hear a horse and buggy.
Mm.
Alrighty, did you enjoy the video? Did you watch the whole thing through? If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share wherever, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And if you really like the video, tell all your friends and comment below what you think I should do next. there already? Stay Toxified.